How's your breakfast?
I haven't had it yet.
Yummy. He's trying to make his first ever PB&J.
He said his ass.
He's already put butter on it, which is incorrect. Let's see the masterpiece. Show me the inside. Oh wow, she's not liking it?
No, good. I'll eat anything, so I'm not bothered. Now for the exciting part of the morning. Now it's time to bathe. Hot springs. You ready to get your bubble on? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Really need this after yesterday's work. Oh, let's get in this. Oh my lord. Oh, that's so good. Oh my god, that's actually incredible.
Oh, that's so warm. Oh my god, heaven.
Oh. Now this is more like it.
Oh, this is my sort of bath, man. Hello.
Time to move on to the next spring. Oh, that one's lovely and warm. It's a bit chilly walking through. Oh. These hot springs are so nice. Definitely staying here all day. We've got 2 hours.
Not leaving before 2 hours
No, I'm leaving a wrinkly boy. There's also a cold plunge here. I don't want to do it. Too cold. I'm not good at cold. Couldn't wait for you. Yeah, I had to get in. I think it said 40, 41 degrees.
Oh, that is heaven.
Get in it. This one's the hottest pool, over 40 degrees. Toasty. Maybe time for the plunge. Oh.
It is boiling.
We're still here. It's been an hour and 20 minutes. Oh no, you ready for a cold plunge?
No, I'm not ready.
I don't want to do this.
Oh my god. So cold. It's crazy. It's cold.
Oh, don't do this. I can't be in here. Run as fast as I can back to the hot pool. Oh yes. Oh, that's exactly what I need. That's better, a lot better. We are done 2 whole hours of cold plunges, hot springs, feeling refreshed and ready for the Great Ocean Road.
Woo! My legs hurt from yesterday, don't yours?
Oh yeah. That being said, they do feel a lot better from the spa we had earlier.
A little sneaky peek over there. Wow. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, that is just paradise right there, ain't it? Unbelievable.
Look at that! Look at that. It is literally like paradise. It doesn't do it. The camera doesn't do anything justice. Oi, 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 oi.
Jesus. Look at that. This is just number one on the Great Ocean Road. Honey. Unreal.
I'm trying my hardest to get up there, but I only went a couple steps. But this is so slippery and sandy. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Look at that view though. Wow. Hello! Can I get into there? That's the real question. I'm gonna try my best. So I have made it, but I don't know how I'm gonna get down. Oh, look at this. That's awesome. Oh, look at that. Whoa. This was so worth climbing into, even if I'm not going to be able to get down. The view from up here, incredible. So yeah, don't try that at home. I pretty much got stuck. I couldn't make it down myself. Didn't remember how I got up. Had to get Tash to come and help me place my footing. All in all, I still think it was definitely worth it. I'll show you the photos in a second. There.
Every man is
Now,
going to do it.
every man is suddenly walked over there as well. I didn't see it coming. It was a big one. It got me soaked. What I was saying is, there he goes, trying to climb up. I don't think he realizes it's quite hard to get down. It's a man thing, but there goes another one.
I've lost him. He's gone wandering through caves again. So we'll wait and see what he's found. I'm sure he's got some great pictures. He's going to enjoy the view. Found him! Oh, that's chilly. Oh my god. It's a little trap right here.
I don't know what you're talking about, ice cold. This is so much warmer than that cold plunge we went into earlier. 100% now.
Oh, my legs are so sore from yesterday.
What?
I said my legs are sore from yesterday. We have arrived.
The Bay of Islands.
Short walk is killing my legs.
Yeah.
It's not hard. It's not steep. Legs are sore. Look at that. I cannot tell you how amazing this looks. It doesn't look real. Isn't it? It doesn't look real. We're off to find a different lookout.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
It's pretty cool actually, isn't it?
All these rocks look like tiramisu. Every single one. Look at all the waves.
We made it. Look at our view. Here we are, Bay of Martyrs. In it.
In it.
In it. Here you go. Up here, it's the best.
It's the best, and a picture will appear. Bang!
I want a history lesson.
Okay, so Bay of Martyrs, right? I'm pretty sure it was 1864 or something. Christopher Martyr. I'm pretty sure he crashed his ship into one of these rocks. Everyone died apart from him, he managed to get to shore and named it Martyrs.
Cool story. Cool fake news story.
Yeah, and what?
Sounds like it could be true.
It could be. It turns out it's near impossible to find accommodation on the Great Ocean Road.
Yep, it is. Cannot
There's-
find anything. There is nothing.
There's like an Airbnb, which is like $1,000 a night. We can do that. There's another hotel nearby that's like $400 for the night. There's nowhere to camp for free. Like $100 paid campsite up the road.
It's mad.
We're now
Mental.
driving 12 minutes for basically a patch of grass for 36 bucks. And every little parks, there's no camping fines apply. It's all, and there's nowhere to hide, unfortunately, like we've been doing.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, we've seen so many police. Fun times. Made it to Port Campbell, about to watch the sunset. Somehow, yeah, took so long to find food that everything's shut.
We searched high and low up Port Campbell. We just wanted some chips. Fish and chip shop shut. Then we go and pick up a few bits, some wine and stuff instead. Go watch the sunset, and then we think we'll get some chips somewhere else because all the shops open. No, everything shuts 8:30. So now he's going into a dodgy looking petrol station. Dear God.
Chips literally look like they're made with like uranium. They're glowing.
Hey.
They're glowing. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared to eat them. I've never seen such a... Oh, it doesn't do it justice. It's literally glowing. It's like greeny, yellowy. It's not bad.